corresponder Mr. Rajendra and school teachers from Nellore. We welcome you all. Zero therapy, it's not just a therapy, and it is more than treatment. Now, it is a group of people who discuss about aura, energy, health, wealth, business. There is no topic which is not covered, and it is beyond any kind of treatment, though treatment happens automatically, and the intentions are not just Zero Therapy Foundation is donating to Gaushala, is donating in various ways, and is serving the society who are away from alcohol, perfume, and any kind of food which creates negative energy or impact. Zero Therapy has given to the society in a number of ways. Madam, CEO of National Blind Association of India, Madam Dipti Bhatia.
Okay, we are from National Association for the Blind. We are the Tamil Nadu state branch. Okay, we were the first branch of Tamil National Association for the Blind, India. So that is well known as NAB India, and we are the first branch, that is Tamil Nadu state branch. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you, Zero Therapy Rotary Club of Madras Traditional. Okay, somewhere these wallets are going to be very, very useful to the visually impaired. We work with children and adults with visual impairment. So we send the children to regular schools and we do inclusive education. We have special educators there. We do vocational training, that is computer training. We do we give training for competitive exam for the adults with visual impairment. We have at least six of them who have got a job since 2023 in the public service, Tamil Nadu. So, and computer training, everybody gets a job. So, we also have massage and reflexology, and we have recaning and craft-based training for people who haven't got academic background. I just wanted to let you people know, and all of you are invited. Our office is in Madhavaram. So, when we distribute the wallets also, we will invite you. These talking wallets are a part of assistive devices. Like computer and our phone and everything will give us voice output. Same way, these wallets are battery operated, so people don't need a smartphone and Wi-Fi and all that. It is battery operated, and it will give you the currency, it will tell the currency note kept in a particular position. So we distribute, train them, and then send them. I think Mr. Rotarian Dinesh, I have sent you a video of just now on WhatsApp. So, because I called him up yesterday, I have his number. So thank you very, very much. And it will help. This is the first 20. This will help the 20 people. We have distributed so far about 100 wallets. And everybody finds it useful. This is the creator of this designer is H Vision. This is a company in Ahmedabad. So he keeps doing these assistive devices and we keep contact with him. Thank you very, very much and hope to keep contact with all of you always.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Vipin Chandji Baum, founder Zero Therapy, and Dinesh Bhaiya to please hand over the draft to madam. This is the draft for National Association for Blind. 64,000 rupees is being donated for the talking wallet, and 20 wallets will be donated. We would also like to welcome Mrs. Nandini and other Innoville members who have proposed scholarship beneficiary, Ms. Jayashree of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, pursuing BCS Aviation. We would like to invite Ms. Jayashree and others.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. So thank you very much. I'm Nandini, and through Mr. Dinesh, we have got in touch with Zero Therapy and Rotary. So we were able to gain the scholarship for Ms. Jayashree. It was a very huge help, and thank you so much. We'd like to thank you from Inner Wheel clubs. There are 7 or 8 clubs which contributed together for the rest of her fees, and this part that you have done has made a great change. So thank you very much on our behalf.
Thank you.
Zero Therapy Foundation is donating rupees 50,000 to the Rotary Foundation India for 200 tree plantation. We would like to call President of Rotary Club of Madras Traditional.
So talking wallets are, it's a wallet, okay? It's like the men's wallet, and there is a battery operated device fixed to it. So when we place the currency notes on the wallet, it tells you exactly what the currency note is, the denomination. So if it's 10 rupees or 50 rupees or 100 rupees or whatever it is, it tells the currency notes. And it is it's a rechargeable, like our phone battery, no, it's rechargeable like that. So they've given the cable and the wallet both. That's what comes in the wallet. So right now many people are using, maybe I should send you more videos of people using. I'll send one video on, yeah, so that's about it. I'll send you more videos and we'll also invite you when we actually distribute the wallet. The thing is, I had a wallet with me. Yesterday, there was somebody who came from Tirupur all the way, so I had to give it away. So there was no model wallet to show you people. That's why. Yeah.
Jai Prakriti. Welcome to Sunday session. Those who would like to sit, welcome. Those who would like to go, please. We are starting our regular zero therapy meeting.
You want to listen.
You are welcome to listen. There's no compulsion.
You can, because there,
Whatever you feel like.
be comfortable or because we wanted her to go.
Jai Prakriti. We are, most of our time, we always think of our past. We are in the past. Past was not good. I could have done that. I could have achieved this. I missed that. And we spoil our future by thinking like this. I am requesting Uncle Ji to just guide us how to always be in the present. Because whenever we think of future, we are afraid. We have fearful thoughts. We feel that uncertainty is a big problem. Though now I am a senior citizen, I am still worried about my future, which I need not be, because already most of the phase of my life has already passed. But still I have fears. And whenever I think of past, I always think, I could have done this, I could have been achieved much more, I could have done this also. So how to be in the present? And one more doubt is, we are always, because of our past experiences, we are always in our saving mode, SAVING. Everywhere we try to save money, save our time, everywhere, in all actions. When should we shift to spend mode? Whatever time we have, whatever money we have, whatever resources we have, whatever contacts and relations we have, we should spend, not think of saving. I welcome Uncle Ji to guide on this.
यार मेरे को फंसा दिया तो फर्स्ट थिंग मिस्टर Kalro na, you are answered the question yourself. So that is not the doubt at all. It's not a doubt at all, number one. Number two, आपने clearly बोला है, bury the past in the present for better future. First you have to forget the past, right? You bury the past in the present for better future. That simple एक लाइन में खत्म हो गया ना काम. I think you are asking doubts for the answer, you know. It's very easy, very easy. You don't have to remember, don't have to think, yaar. बहुत easy है. If you think it is easy, keep on doing your karma and don't worry about the karma फल. बस इतना easy है, एकदम easy है. कोई difficult नहीं है. So that is not the very big doubt, I think so, ma'am. है ना? Please come this side. Come this side. People want to be in the camera and you don't want to. आगे आ जाओ. हाँ तो अब और क्या doubt था? Any? You got any doubt? Please tell me. नहीं तो क्या subject you want me to talk? और क्या doubt था next? Saving mode. See, there are two confusion. You want to save time, it is definitely good. Nothing wrong in saving. But keep on only saving money, I am not for that. My personal opinion, I can't be judged. So, children education ho gaya, that is not your headache at all for saving. He has to check. That's why normally we don't donate for more than +2. This exceptional case we are giving for college. We never, +2 is our duty. Then you have to stand on your leg. This is ठीक है, exceptional case है. What subject you are studying? Which 2 minutes you can talk on the subject, no? Aviation. Somebody said aviation. ठीक है. कौन आया देखना रहा? हाँ जाना भैया चुप के मेरे को टाइम कुल्फी वाला मेरे क्या काम है यार. हाँ तो अब क्या बात करेंगे सब्जेक्ट बोलो. अच्छा जल वी कांट बी वेस्टिंग टाइम ना. यार ये तो बोलना यार.
Though we have an idea of that we are not supposed to be in the past and the future, as Uncle Ji said, Kalro Ji said, but still we have a lot of problems with how to be in the present.
Now, ठीक है, how to be in present and then what?
Yeah, that's it. That how can we be involved? As I said, as Uncle Ji said, I have the same problem. Like always, the thoughts which are about the past and the future, that always,
See, one thing. You have to not worry about the past, bury the past. But what mistakes you have done, you think of the mistakes, correct the mistakes. समझा ना? So that is not thinking about the past. You are finding a solution. Finding solution is nothing wrong. समझा ना? है कि नहीं? So always think of the present, be in the present, and future automatically will be a good present. It will be a present gift. तो वो सोचा तो बस है ना यार. क्या बोल? What is your problem? You said you have same problem. Kalro doesn't have any problem. I'm telling you honestly. He wants to only talk and talk for creating a problem. He knows the answer and he creates problem. ऐसे ही है ना इसकी मैम है ना. हाँ कुछ नहीं है उसकी बीबी बोलते कुछ नहीं है बोल. अब उसके ऊपर क्या होना बोल. Yeah, he's experienced so much that he can talk for hours for no reason, है ना. कुछ भी मजा कर बस enjoy करो ले. Everything is fine. क्या है यार तुम पास. You think of the what you are going to eat tomorrow. Karma. Think of the present. Don't bother about karma फल. खत्म. इतना easy है, इतना easy है. Be in the present because he is a present. You can forget. तेरे को problem है तो बोल. Now let's 2 minutes है, नया है ना? So we can talk on zero therapy for a few seconds. You know about zero therapy? No. Zero therapy is a lifestyle which clears almost all the diseases. A blind got his vision back, voice loss recovered, confirmed by all the doctors. You cannot talk for lifetime. Lifetime, और वो भी ठीक हो गया. Blind by vision loss. There is nothing which we are not clear, ma'am. And then we are left it. We are not doing any treatment now. And there is no disease which we are not cured. ये ललित है क्या? नहीं, ललित है क्या? ललित नहीं है क्या? उसका कोई फ्रेंड है क्या? आजान 2 मिनट बोल दे इन लोगों को. इन लोगों को बोल दे, because this is science which they are not even heard of. And this is out of the box science. And we don't treat, but there's a limit. 83 I'm now running. Why should I treat people here? Hey, Lena. This is an experience which you would not have heard in any paper, anywhere in research.
मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ.
हिंदी में बोल, ठीक है, अच्छा ना.
जय प्रकृति. मुझे 2007 में ब्रेन में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस डॉक्टर ने डायग्नोस किया था, जिसका ट्रीटमेंट आज के डेट में भी नहीं है.
The disease which, as per medical science, no treatment as on date, right?
Yes, on date. I was admitted in the hospital for 7 days. Main problem was I have two vision. Double दिखता था
He
मुझे.
went to doctor for double vision and nothing else. And they put him on so many diseases. का नाम क्या है?
Multiple sclerosis.
हाँ. And he's today, how many years? कितना हो गया?
2007, so 19 years.
They will not understand more than that. I don't think they will understand that. है ना? Cancer, asthma, hernia, not able to deliver the child. 9, बच्चा कोई नहीं क्या? 9 month वाला बच्चा. Mothers, 9 months, not taken any folic acid, no calcium tablet. The child अभी था क्या? एक child देखा ना मैंने? कोसी का बच्चा. कोसी का बच्चा, आज आ रहा बच्चा. तू कितना छोटा था? When did you come in? First standard LKG? हाँ, ले ले. Born and brought up. No, what is your age?
19.
19.
19.
So he is now today 19 plus 9. Because 9 months with zero therapy. Oh.
So I have not taken any medicines from my childhood.
19 months, 19 years and 9 months. Mother has not taken. No vaccination, mummy kuch bhi nahi liya.
And I have not brushed my teeth through.
That
toothbrush.
story you tell.
Ah.
When you are which class?
3rd, 4th, 5th, all classes.
That is a good story.
Every year the school conducted medical camp in the school. In the what do we say? In the oral test, I always achieved the first place. I did not even use the toothpaste from my childhood.
Yes. And he forgot. Doctor asked him, "You are the best teeth. How many times you brush?" And he said, NIL, nil times. बड़ा बोला यार, you forgot. When he saw इतना बच्चा था तो बोला मैं ब्रश ही नहीं करता. So this is the fact. They ask the disease and we can tell you the address of the patient cured. This is zero therapy, purely lifestyle, pure lifestyle. Children not seen abhi tak theek hai. This much is good enough. Or you have any doubt about this? We don't take onion, we don't take garlic, we don't eat idli, we don't eat fermentation, we don't eat dahi, we don't eat curd, we don't eat sprouts. This is zero therapy. Automatically you get cured. Any doubt on this subject? Okay, we can discuss. है ना? उनको ये तो we have been donating 20 lakhs per year for cow shed and all that. तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी क्या किया हमने? साइंस के इक्विपमेंट दिया ना हमने, और भी दिया. हाँ देख, having taken my dear friend forgot. कितना मजा. No, but he's right. Bury the past. Why should you think of the past? It's be in the present. इतना अच्छा है. ठीक है, तेरा डाउट आ जा रहा है. सैनिटरी, वो सैनिटरी तू एक की तो ना बा. Yeah, he'll have a wonderful doubt. Principal of that school, science madam, wonderful, itna dimag hai science madam, English expert. We have got very good relation with this school because his founder is zero therapy.
जय प्रकृति. अंकल जी, इंटेंशंस जो होते हैं, दैट इंटेंशन कम्स फ्रॉम अपब्रिंगिंग, व्हाट्स एंड नीड्स.
हाँ, English, correct.
How one gets intention, I mean, it keeps on changing based on needs and wants or upbringing. So like, you know, we just wanted to know how, what about intention, whether it's good or bad, how does it comes, how does it gets cultivated, those things. वो एक doubt है.
See, your doubt is not the right question. Because intention, you must know what intention is. Intention will not change at all. Your wants, needs, thoughts, your thoughts. I would like to eat rasgulla, gulab jamun, I want my child to study, ye, wo, सब thoughts, wants. Intention is purely, but I want to bring up this way. I want my life to be this way, and that cannot change. I want to earn money in this style, this fashion, no cheating, nothing. So, वो intention में था. I want to help all the people in the world. I'm concerned for others. What that will not change, and that's not cultivated. कितना अच्छा doubt है इसका ना? Very good doubt ना? तो कुछ है बेगम. अच्छा वही से बोलते. हाँ, yes.
He asked, how does one know that one's intention is good or bad?
My dear friend, it's not a want or need. You don't have to know. Intention comes from your body only, your mind only. Then where is the generator for that? If you don't know, I'm not even animal knows whether your intention is to डराना करना, एनिमल को मालूम है. इंटेंशन नहीं मालूम है तो फिर यार मतलब रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग आंसर ऐसा तो नहीं रहे. तो ये दिस ए वंडरफुल लाइफ स्टाइल हमारा. बस आराम से कुछ नहीं करना है, जीरो पैसा, नो मनी इन्वॉल्व, नथिंग इज इन्वॉल्व. इन जीरो थेरेपी कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है, काम करते जाओ, फॉलो करो. ठीक, कोई एक मेरे को सब्जेक्ट दे देना बोलने के लिए, अच्छा रहेगा. वो कहाँ गया अपना पंकज? इतनी बात किया ना मैंने आज बात करने के लिए. चुप इतना टाइम वेस्ट करता है, सबका मज़ा नहीं आ रहा ना. गिव मी सम सब्जेक्ट. आई कांट लाइक दिस सब्जेक्ट फॉर टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक. वो मेरे को नहीं आता. ऐसे वो सब मगर नहीं आता. बोल देना पंकज को क्या मन कुछ इतनी बात होती है अपने यहाँ पर.
Uncle, living near nature is also like destroying nature, no? Because अभी जो nature resorts है या मतलब जो भी है, तो उस forest को कट करके वहाँ पे घर बनाएगा, resort बनाएगा या कुछ भी करेगा, या फिर हम लोग जो wooden furniture use कर ले, या फिर anything which is like being near nature is like destroying it in some way.
See, to be very frank, near the nature means not damaging the nature. You can't do punya by doing some pap. So you can't do some pap for doing bigger punya. So वो नहीं है. You don't have to cut, but you can wear a cotton. You can not sit on this sofa. You can wear cotton, wool, silk. So that is living nature. Plus, over a period, if you are living with the nature, your thoughts become very, very pure. Yes, ये plastic, वो सब इसमें food served by, honestly speaking, if the food is served in the hotel, our nature will change. We are eating all the time in a hotel. The nature तो change होगा ही ना. We don't have to decide about doing something good. समझा ना? Sharma, ma'am, you want to go? You can go. Ah. I'm very happy. I want people, because our people have listened to me for years and years. They'll all get, when they're getting bored. At least some new people like this. No, we want people. We can. Our culture is share the food and share the thought. And never, our trust is the only trust where no expenses, I think you know, no expenses. We can't write any expenses. We have to put from our pocket. No expenses in, only trust in the world. No expenses allowed to write. We have to done the what will we have to spend money for doing something good. जब हाँ बोल यार ऐसे तो मेरे को I want doubts. See, I can't be मेरे को नहीं आता टेंशन है साला prepared speech. Plan. What do you want to plan? You want to plan क्या? You tell me. I'll. Plan is not a. Planning is essential. Planning is most essential, right? But you can't be planning for your grandchildren and all that. Be in the present, you plan for the future. Then the present will become next step. Then again plan. And nobody can plan point to point. Major. Then planning, there are two types. One flexible planning and permanent planning. So you have to do permanent, means I have to send to school, right? Permanent. Which school? Flexible. So you have to plan, always planning दो होना. एक permanent, एक flexible. अपने सब business people हैं. No, your wife will say, I want this. And you will not plan. Surely, because you are business people. You will not listen. And you will forget. Huh? You don't have to plan. जाने दे यार. ठीक है ना? You don't have to plan. This is her headache to plan. What to tell? You know, अपना planning business ये वो. House planning, ladies. Earlier बोल रहा हूँ, अभी का नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. And now ladies have to plan both. बहुत tension का काम है. House and both. Why this happens? Now you are putting more tax to ladies, right? You have to plan your house, you have to plan money, you have to plan children, है कि नहीं? Is it, am I right or wrong? So whose mistake is this? किसका mistake है? Huh? Kaldoji, he will talk something and very interesting he'll talk about.
See, I read somewhere in Japan, people plan death. They pay EMI for their graves.
देखो, it is like this. One day, one person, कैसा मालूम रहेगा? One day, somebody was going by cemetery. He is giving discount. That man is giving discount. So he went to house and committed suicide. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार. Discount के लिए. So you don't, but you can plan. When I die, Vipin Chand, I tell my friend, I want to die on Sunday only so that no work for people. That way you can think. It's not planning, only thinking that people should not be, uncomfortable when somebody dies. That comes. Auntie wanted to die only on Monday because that Dada Gurudev, Mahalaya Amasya, Monday, and she died on Monday. So you can plan. But you can't plan, I want to die on this date, that is possible. You can plan. But that must be, body में तब power होना, दिमाग में power होना, ये ABCD वाले थोड़ी plan कर सकते हैं. You can't plan like this. Possible थोड़ी है. यार ऐसे कैसा होगा यार? बट मैं एक जगह I read one place. If you don't ask doubt, you are wise people. Because you know everything, but you know nothing. I say, yaar, teacher ma'am, please, help me. English ma'am, science ma'am. What are your Intuition. Jabardast. No, first, what do you mean by intuition? Yes. No, bilkul correct.
No, intuition is the ability to
ठीक है.
ability to think through. I mean, something happens. You're able to just sense it. It's not. It's beyond thought. Yeah, it's a gut feeling. It's beyond thought.
Yes, intuition is actually powerful sixth sense. And that can sometimes you can make it happen and it happens many times. But you must be ekdam sixth sense, it comes without your knowledge. You should be connected with the universe. It doesn't come just like that. It happens sometimes because you think you want to prove you are right. Most of my मेरा intuition ऐसा था. अरे because after happening you will say. हमारा नीलेश बॉम्बे में मैं जब भी सोचता हूँ तो ऑर्डर आ जाता है. ऑर्डर आने के बाद में सोचता हूँ. ऐसे अपने सोचते हैं because we want to be मैं सोचा ना intuition. अरे पहले क्यों नहीं सोचा भाई? ये सब आजकल ये वर्ड है ना, sixth sense can tell. I was now coming to this place, right? And I was telling him something. Pratik, क्या नाम है? पंकज. पंकज क्या बोल मालूम है? In the car.
अंकल बोले कि
इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थोड़ा.
जय प्रगति. Uncle ji said that I said auntie that you will die before.
1970 I got married. 75 76 में आंटी को बोला you are going to die before me. This is intuition. After how many years? कितना साल के बाद?
50 years.
This is actually intuition. And this man was telling, क्या आप ऐसे कुछ भी बोलते हो? हाँ, मैं बोला तो बोला है क्या कुछ भी बोलना है? I told you are very lucky that you are going to die before your husband. क्या गलती अच्छा है ना? Female इंडिया में without husband बहुत टेंशन का काम है. We can live happily like this. How can ladies be? बहुत टेंशन का काम.
Yes, uncle, जैसे सपना भाभी को देखते आप
And my daughter, I told my wife कि she will deliver, Pinky will deliver female baby after marriage. इसका इंट्यूशन है. वो कश्मीर भैया कश्मीर में before marriage I said you will get a boy child only first. Before marriage. And he is a proof वहाँ पर एकदम है. This is called ठीक है वो. You have to be very true to yourself. But true to yourself, sixth sense is available in the universe. You have to give connectivity. How could this start? This is not a science. Our जो science is beyond. How can you think anybody get cured without any meditation? Do you have any meditation or yes. People ask me, uncle, आप meditation करते हो कुछ? I do nothing. Because zero therapy, you don't have to do anything. What is meditation? वो सब wrong. What is meditation? You are right. In a sense, what we are reading, meditation means whatever job you do, that time concentrate and forget other things. But we don't forget money, we don't forget selfishness.
Isn't it like how you said about being in the moment? If you're in a meditative state, you are ideally in that moment. We don't plan for future or think about the past, but we are living in that present, living in that moment. That's also meditation, right?
You are washing clothes, washing vessels, you fully concentrate, that is meditation. I'm talking only. But in a real sense, meditation means real sense. This is what we are reading. No attachment. Real sense meditation, no attachment for family people, no attachment for anybody. Responsibility for family people, but no attachment. When auntie died, body idhar pada hai, and there was a lecture. What kind? Yeah, that doesn't mean that I have no attachment. But real sense, responsibility, daughter-in-law, how to take care of my daughter-in-law, full responsibility. नो अटैचमेंट. Body is lying here and कौन था यहाँ, कोई था क्या उस समय? Somebody asked me a question and we started because body will go tomorrow only. So what? No attachment. No होना नहीं चाहिए. You lose up to the person available full time. Full time. After gone, we can do nothing. But you can learn. I mean, you can क्या बोल रहे हैं? You can do things what she has taught you. है कि नहीं? Yesterday there was a small lecture, no? Yesterday there was a small lecture, 10 people. He said, I'm collecting clothes. Right? Kal. And yesterday we sent all my pants, shirt, new. Sent there. At the time I was folding, no? T-shirts were all Banana Republic, probably number 1 or 2 in the world. T-shirt. In Allah Kutta. Our friends kept 2 for me. Friends, they kept 2. At that 2 also I gave. No, when you give, you don't have to. छुट्टी करना बेस्ट है. The त्याग is the best, remedy. त्याग करो. Giving, happy. एकदम. In giving, there's nothing like giving. The happiness is in giving, yaar. What you love most, that give. I love idli to eat. No, I'm not going to eat. That छोड़ो. तब त्याग करो. देव. अपने जो भी देव में दो. Knowledge है देव. Our site clearly says, knowledge is not to be sold, it is to be shared. All our books are not chargeable. A book दीजिए इनको. We don't charge for the books. And small instance, when we give the book to Marwadi, he will take it. When I meet him after 1 year, did you read? He said, yes, I read. What you read? First page I opened and closed. ये तमिलियन को देगा ना, तमिलियन को. He will not accept. You know why? Because he will not have money, and books are money, knowledge. For Marwadi, books are like income tax notice. ठीक है, इनको बेचार को तमिलियन को अयो बुक एवलो कास्ट आऊँ पॉकेट लीर का लिए मैम फ्री मैडम कॉम्प्लीमेंट थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो इनको इतना वैल्यू है बुक्स नॉलेज का, इनको इतना वैल्यू है. अपना तो अरे हैप्पी लास्ट ले किलो ले भीतर मांगा, ऐसे भी होता साला चलता है. ठीक है ना. कोई भाई हेल्प मी यार, पूछ रहे आजा कौशिक आजा. गुड. जॉब और बिजनेस क्या बोल.
वो प्लस एंड माइनस
क्या व्हाट
हाउ कैन यू गाइड.
यस यू वांट बिजनेस इज गुड और जॉब इज गुड, यही बोल रहा है ना तो. हाँ यही बोल रहा है ना. देख कैन बी एनीथिंग इज गुड provided you are fully involved. ये बोले. But personally, I feel job is not good because you cannot devote your time and your knowledge without the boss consent. Boss बोलेगा now Zero-therapy is moving ahead because nobody is, not in 1% is working anywhere. Not in one sample भी नहीं है. All of the bosses, they can spend money at will, they can do something at will. Now, he is to us, we can donate. कुछ भी चलता है ना तो. But current scenario, business is not going to be good. Policy, ये and evergreen business नहीं होने वाला है. From the day one, business was good for India. People came from all over the world because business was good. Why business was good? Because the earth, Bhumi, that was very, minerals, lots of minerals, trading. All the people, Portuguese came, British came, Muslims, सब है. Even we are foreigners only. We are not Indian. अपने भी कोई इंडियन नहीं है, सब बाहर से हैं. क्योंकि अच्छा था. Current scenario, no choice. itna, everything is open. You can't do trading. You have got to do a job, and that's a bad luck for our country. Highest owners are in India only, that's why it's chal raha hai. Pan wala, bida wala, rickshaw wala, auto wala. That helps the economy. But now we don't have choice. No, the job kone. My granddad is working in London. Yeah. Choice kya? Because my son died, so she has to go there, work. तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते रहे. But in your case, you have business and your son wants to go for a job. Correct? So I feel it is not correct. You grow your business to a corporate level. Business go for growing business, you have to join like-minded. You can't alone be running the business. है कि नहीं? Join करो, फिर बैठाओ, let him become a director of your company. You become only finance. I think you got lot of finance. मेरे को लग रहा है. Because your son was telling how to plan finance. है ना? हाँ तो वही रहेगा उसको. वो देगा भी मेरा बाप तो खत्म कर देगा. I'll finance. वही रहेगा. ऐसे लग रहा है. देख दांत वाला tooth is his son. So why you are studying CA finance planning के लिए? Trading will not work. You have to join agriculture, cooperative. Best business is cooperative farming. Best business. Because with the nature, and you don't destroy the nature, the income is not, source of income is 100% correct. Source of income must be correct. But if you watch your source of income, sixth sense will automatically come. You have to watch your source of income, whether I am working for what I am paid, whether I am in the shop honestly, close the shop, go somewhere, go for a club. That will not work. You go for a club when the time is. Income may say something, give something. That is what you say, I want to give you this, and then change the quality of the material. Cooperative farming में कोई टेंशन नहीं है. एकदम अच्छा है. कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है कि नहीं मैम? We are planning for क्या है ना थोड़ा बता देना तू दिनेश. कुछ हम बोल दे देख. ऐसे ही रहे. बोल देना भाई प्लीज.
We are planning for purchase of land in Madura Tangam. A big layout is there. So Uncle ji was suggesting that we can all buy plots there, and the total plots we can build an community there.
क्या बोला देख
Guest
भाई.
house and community hall.
Correct. One ground is about 9 lakhs. Right. So we thought we buy and leave some small
10%
portion of that, and that becomes the
resort.
Game or something for all the people. Common. हो सकता है विनोद पटारम संडे जाएगा, जिनको जाना विनोद पटारम से you can get in touch. People are interested in builder. Friday को जाएगा builder. तेरे को जाना ही पड़ेगा Friday. You have to take leave from your office. You go with him. Saturday कहाँ जा रहा है? Saturday. अच्छा, you going out and come back on Saturday. जानते. ठीक है. Friday we'll go and inspect. Fully up. Plant, gated, so similar lifestyle people can, and investment best. You just buy, do nothing, it will grow, till then you can enjoy your life there. एकदम अच्छा है. जिन को इंटरेस्ट है दिलखुश, मैं बोला दिलखुश, विनोद पठान को इसको ले ले. और इट्स नॉट ए बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट है ना. 18-20 lakhs तो कुछ it will grow, and the happiness you derive, and the builder also zero therapy, so no one, it's up easier. We are all types of people here, ma'am. In zero therapy you got all types of people except liar, doctor. ரெண்டு பேர் தான் முல allowed இல்லை. But we have to have a lawyer because we should find out. So here is one lawyer not practicing. But what I say, bus, corporate level business. क्यों करे तुम lawyer? You wanted to go for law, what for? Suma, just to prove that you are wrong, बस और कुछ भी नहीं. ऐसे ही क्या तमाशा. ऐसा होना चाहिए. One thing in zero therapy, did you notice? All gents are very good people. Ladies तो खाए पिए चले गए. All they have come with the ladies. And ladies are missing. इतने भीड़ है, एक भी नहीं है. So they will never learn. Not possible at all. Why? I'm telling the experience. Last time, my daughter-in-law made for my birthday, लाया ना सबके लिए chips. She prepared chips for more than 100 people, right? And all gents were telling it's more salty. है ना? वही था क्या? Salty. And ladies were telling no, it is correct. By living together, we have lost the tongue taste. We have no taste. Gents, bina namak, without sugar, without jaggery, we can all eat anything. That is beauty. Anything, we'll never find out. ठीक है, अच्छा. What I don't eat salt, I don't eat mirchi. When my food, everybody says happily, so their tongue has changed, their thoughts have changed, and ladies are still there, the same. Tongue only gives you character. The moment it goes and you think, no, less salt, more, your character itna अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. Sixth sense will come only from the tongue. And you follow? So you have to eat veg or non-veg? You tell me. No, why do you like non-veg? What is it? You are vegetarian or what? No, not religion. We are not talking religion.
Yes, sir, yes.
You love veg food or you love non-veg also? Sometimes.
Yes, sir. I eat both, sir.
No. Eating both is means actually, you know, what do you mean by food? Okay. What exactly do you mean by food? Right?
I think food is an emotion, sir, for me.
Food.
Yeah.
No. English F-O-O-D, food means what? Is a veg or non-veg?
I go with both, sir. Like
No, I'm not
non-veg.
asking you. What English dictionary means? Okay. Actually, you know, food means what? Which gives you emotion, happiness or...
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ekdam correct. Happiness or whatever. Now, in Tamil, what they say? Sapad sapta, kude mutton chicken sapta. In your Telugu people, right? In Tamil, sapad sapta, kude mutton chicken, right? Kude means what? Not a food. It's extra. Sapad, other sapad sapta. Why they say along with this means food means 100% veg. Because you will like both. You serve our people, he will not be happy. The purpose of food is happiness. Some people are happy, some people are not happy. So food means 100% veg only. But eating is your choice. What you eat, what you love, that is, nobody can question, nobody, it is all your choice. But your intestines are made for vegetarian load only. Anybody in the world, your intestine length is 12 times the animal or our body. So veg is always good for emotions, for brain, for health. Love this, you're liking. Nobody can question, nobody can say you're wrong. Nobody can say you're wrong. But food means, I understand, is only vegetarian. Because that can be accepted. All herbivores animals, they are matching our intestine, body, always same, herbivores. And herbivores, animal, and carnivores, you find a lot of difference. They eat, and herbivores, no. They sweat, their tongue, everything is different. So nature has made our body to take, accept vegetarian load only. Choice is anybody can, nothing wrong in. But you imagine One day you eat this, one day you eat that. How does it emotions change? That you can study. We can't study. You can study. You got a chance to study. One person came to me, atomic energy. You have no right to talk on non-veg because you have not tasted it. वो क्या बोला मालूम है? You have no right to talk on non-veg because you have not tasted it. I told him, you are an electrical engineer. Huh? Do you say after getting a shock, it is shock? How do you say there is a shock here? So this is what I am doing. Well, a shock, how do you know? You don't have to fall into that well to know the depth. And I don't have to know thief is bad. And when ladies prepare food, husband says very good, and he doesn't know how to prepare. But you have got choice to find out what is different. People love, sometimes Sri Lanka jail, 7,000 people, my lecture on veg. And that madam came to India, no? She said many people change without telling them. I see, put the fact, many people change their lifestyle of food in Sri Lanka jail. Everything in the world has got vibration. Everything in the world has vibration. Now this will have vibration, I will have vibration, this will have vibration, this will have vibration. Right? And with the vibration, you send the feelings. With the vibration, the feeling goes. And that is what it is. Bas. Any food, anything. And food is not that much danger compared to when it goes the tongue. And what do you think at that time? Same mother produces two children. They are different. One child eats, uska thoughts are different. Other child eating thoughts are different. So the moment food goes here, character वहीं से होता है. बस. That's why we are able to find out rishis seeing the tongue. Tongue can not bluff. Man can bluff. Tongue will not bluff at all. क्या टाइम हो रहा है? यहाँ डाउट पूछा ना. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us opportunity for accepting. All the best. One advice, child. One advice. Now we have contributed very small thing. Right? When you grow, you contribute. Bas, itna hi hai. This is what. So you have to make sure. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
सर मेरा एक डाउट है, वो ये है कि हम लोग बच्चों को कैसे इस बारे में एजुकेट कर सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ ट्रू लव, व्हाट इज़ अट्रैक्शन एंड व्हाट इज़ अटैचमेंट.
नहीं भाई, love is always true only. Love cannot be confusing. If you love, it is purely true only. है ना? तो आपके बच्चा है कौन सा साल है? No.
4 years.
4 years ना? वो बच्चा will always see and learn. You don't have to teach. Children are so smart, they learn what they see. You don't tell the wrong words and you do right thing, you become a role model, automatically they will be good. You can't teach the children, but always they learn from your behavior. So you be a role model in the house.
Sir, then what about attraction and attachment, sir?
Attachment is, yes, कितना अच्छा बोला, ये कितना अच्छा point है बोल. Vivek Mom, attraction and attachment, what do you think? Attraction is temporary and it can change. Attachment is when I lose something, I weep. I don't have to sorry when I lost that item. What attachment? Attraction today, I like South Indian food. Tomorrow I'm attracted to my friend because he is a gentleman. Chalo, he changes his habit. I don't like him. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
So talking about love again. So,
बहुत अच्छा है. ये देख, इस लेडी को ही पूरा अंदर का लव है. हाँ.
so sir, when we get married, we love a person, anyone. After some period of time, there will be divorce or sort of things, and there won't be any attachment anymore. So how can we take this as, sir? Like the
So actually when you marry, India में we don't know about the person properly. And the truth comes and it happens. Maybe some reason, mostly gents normally are not as pure as the ladies. Simple. So, oh, kabhi sometimes it happens. Divorce happens because two things does not tally. He may be for money, he may... See, love is... Okay, if you really love, there cannot be divorce at all. Love में तो chance नहीं है. But that man doesn't love you. You means I don't say you. Yes, then the divorce takes place. He is only wants machine, ladies, उसको कोई real love नहीं है. Real love to sacrifice. If there is a love, you have to sacrifice, he has to sacrifice. When he is not sacrificing, then not love. For your sake, for anybody's sake, either male or female. Love means sacrifice. Bas, इतने है. But both the parties sacrificing, then where can be problem?
so do you suggest to separate in that way, sir? In such cases?
Present day, yes. I have. मैं तो when I see both the things, listen to both the parties, and then I think one or two, I have advised by better to divorce now. Because you can't be permanently sword hanging on your head. एक तो relief तो मिल जाता ना. When you finally think that two parties are not getting along well, for both the parties, you are free ना. My अच्छा.
So, I have another doubt, sir. How can we remain unattached with the world, but responsibilities to be completed?
Correct. Correct. Responsibility Vipin Chan is doing for daughter-in-law. I take full care of daughter-in-law, but I have no son gone, wife gone. मेरे को कोई अटैचमेंट नहीं है. बट 100% स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम, उसको गला खराब हो गया, ये गया, आई गेट अपसेट. मैं डॉटर कुछ भी हो गया, बिकॉज शी इज नो मदर इन लॉ, नो हस्बैंड. माई फ्रेंड नोज व्हेन सन डाइड आई टू टेक केयर ऑफ द हाउस एंड बिजनेस बोथ. कितना टेंशन हो गया. बिजनेस भी देखना, वो भी देखना.
So, we cannot avoid attachment, sir. This is
No,
what...
attachment नहीं बोल सकते. Responsibility. I don't have any attachment here. I don't have any attachment. Today is my friend. Tomorrow non-juror. Bye bye Tata. I have no. Auntie 7 years हो गए, 8 years हो गए. 8 years. I always think, talk, learn, and I told my friend, and I mag. She told me to deo. So I'm following her habits which we were not earlier. इतना हाथ थोड़ी छूटता था पहले. अब learn, दो आराम से. There's not learn from the people, but attachment though, when you lose you'll weep. Vipin will not weep at all when you lose. But when I was telling him in the car, if I can find a solution, okay, otherwise I'm not bothered. Man gone. I can't do anything. बस अगर है तो within my limit काम करो, दो. क्या सैनिटरी तो पूछता नहीं कुछ. टाइम हो गया क्या, चलेंगे. आज अच्छा नहीं था. ठीक है, प्रोग्राम वाइज वाज गुड. प्रोग्राम वाइज वी डन समथिंग. दे वांटेड फोटो कैमरा. बोर्ड कैमरा. अरे यार, बोर्ड कैमरा किसके लिए? तुम लिख दो ना हिसाब में. ड्राफ्ट का फोटो ले लो, उससे फोटो ले लो, फोटो लेना. तो वी आर लैकिंग. अभी डोनेशन के लिए पैसा नहीं है अपने बैंक में. इंस्टेड ऑफ कैश चेक आए तो अच्छा है. We need check for donating more people, which Marwadis में कम है. ये बिल्ट को देना पड़ा मैसेज. राजेश मेमोरी बोलना रे. आजा इधर. हाँ ठीक है.
Uncle, life में we will have happiness also as well as problems also. So क्या problems share करने से कम हो जाते हैं या उसको जब जाना है जब solve होना है तभी solve होता है? अगर ऐसा है तो sharing किस लिए?
प्रॉब्लम शेयरिंग करना बहुत जरूरी है फॉर इमोशनल बैलेंस. यू हैव टू शेयर विद. बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी.
So do you say it will solve by sharing?
नो आई डोंट से. एटलीस्ट इट विल हेल्प यू इन नॉट गेटिंग इनटू प्रॉब्लम, फर्दर प्रॉब्लम. समझे ना? सो शेयर. मे बी द अपोजिट पर्सन इज राइट, ही मे कम आउट विद सम सोल्यूशन. प्रॉब्लम्स you think it's a problem. Sometimes it makes you very happy. Once you get a problem, you repair that machine. Another problem, you become repair. So sometimes problem gives you knowledge, experience. But always you don't create problems. Sometimes problem comes from outside. Sometimes problem comes with my bad planning. No, I don't plan. I want to spend money. No, देखता है granddaughter का marriage, money कहाँ से आएगा? So mistake हो गया. But I don't worry. It's our karma.
And about the happiness by sharing, will it become double?
Sharing is the best. Sharing money, sharing knowledge, sharing sorrow. The best solution is sharing शरीर. बहुत you get इतना अच्छा आता है. Power, thinking, solution बहुत जरूरी. नीलेश बम की डेथ हुई कब? मेरे सन Saturday morning. I told his wife, we are sharing everything with auntie and your son is not sharing. बोला मैंने. Same day he died. Sharing to, but anybody will die any day, वो कोई नहीं है. Auntie died because of our mistake. Emotional, एक बात है, zero therapy, most of the death happens because emotional balance. But we are so soft people, we cannot tolerate wrong things. He was so soft, he could not tolerate. Auntie was so soft, cannot. So that doesn't mean we should be harder. That is ऐसा नहीं है. वो ठीक है, क्या कर रहे हैं, बैठ लगा. We should be what we are, we should be. We can't be what others want us to be. Simple, best है. We should be, बस. Others want वो नहीं होना.
Uncle, I'm not sharing to someone because I thought
एक बात, one thing I tell you, you are a zero therapy, correct? But why don't your wife comes here? I don't know. Yesterday we thought wife is not come here. Wife is entitled to come here. All your family members are entitled for. तो क्यों नहीं आती है? She want to go to Maharaj, Sadhu Maharaj. नहीं, क्या बात है? Because you are not sharing your trip also.
No, I shared yesterday. I called her also yesterday. लेकिन आज कोई कारण से उसको.
कारण क्या? वही तो जानना चाहता हूँ. साम्यार वही रहेगा ना? साधु साम्यार वही तो.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. आज आटम था इसलिए उसको.
देख, अगेन रिलीजन आ गया ना. अरे यार, ये देख, आटम रिलीजन, यही तो अपनों को यार. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेडी शुड नो हस्बैंड जो विद इन परमिशेबल लिमिट हस्बैंड जो करता है राइट, बस सिंपल. दैट इज इंडिया. लेकिन हस्बैंड ये आलू उल्लू है, टाटा बाय बाय, बस. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारा मितु से क्या फास्ट बोल दिया. माई ग्रैंड डॉटर, इफ माई हस्बैंड इज एनी, आई से गेट आउट दिस द डोर. ए भैया, तू तो उसके घर में आई है. डोर उसका नहीं है, डोर तेरा. आराम से आई टेल हिम टू गेट आउट. इतना यू शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. यू कैन अर्न मनी. Married ladies, they don't earn money, so they can boss. वही तो wrong है. We are taking advantage. देख भाई, religion is very good to follow, but the rituals चुम्मा आठम चौदस ये सब है, तो that is bad. If your husband wants to go with the world. With the world. ठीक है, choice, again choice. Choice is her choice. And you are very good at choices. But whipping chain cannot tolerate. Yeah. Bad to bad. She will not wear a sari without asking me next day zero therapy function, which sari at the age of 71, she will ask me, कौन सा साड़ी पहना है कर. So इतना एकदम. And you know, this is jabba out our sari. This jabba उसका sari का ही है. I convert. क्यों I have to be connected? All my jabbas are this. I don't buy any jabba. Only stitch only. And I design. Yes, design is me only. ये अगरबत्ती लाई इसने बना करके सिदार अगरबत्ती फर्स्ट टाइम सिदार अगरबत्ती अगर अच्छी है तो विल सॉल्व अवर प्रॉब्लम अगरबत्ती हाँ अगरबत्ती आई सो ओनली आई कैन गिव टू देम बिकॉज दे कैन कंपेयर लाइक अस ला ओ कैन यू ओपन एंड सी अच्छा वो इतना लगी क्या एक मिनट आई लव टू लीव नो आई एम वेरी सेल्फिश मैन Oh, yeah. Look at this packing, yaar. अयो क्या पैकिंग है देखा क्या अयो hats off to you school and college and principal so we'll give one I think so ना है ना एक मिनट दे दे रहे एक एक जन एक दे रहे एक दे रहे बहुत सुपर्ब है दी टेस्ट फॉर दिस इज ना इसका टच कैसे करोगे तुम अगरबत्ती जलाओगे यहाँ से नीचे गीला आएगा हाँ मतलब वो उसका धुआं नुकसान नहीं है और ये लकड़ी सप्लाइड बाई जीरो थेरेपी दी वुड सप्लाइड बाई अस करेक्ट एंड व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट इन दिस no everybody says जीरो थेरेपी and he goes and bar and drinks ऐसा नहीं होता what is the ingredient क्या इसमें इंग्रेडिएंट वो ही नहीं आई कैन
Cedar powder, binder, ghee and water.
व्हाट इज द बाइंडर
It's a jagger powder. It's a tree bark. Tree bark powder. Sir.
ओके सब नेचुरल है ठीक है नो बट एट द फर्स्ट अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है एकदम नेचुरल है एक वे बॉम्ब को देते हैं बिकॉज ही इज द पर्सन विल श्योरली फाइंड आउट मिस्टेक एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी सो दैट वी कैन ओवरकम बट इन दिस देयर कैन नॉट बी मिस्टेक इसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है एक ट्राई कर नहीं वी डोंट हैव टू इम्प्रूव दिस अल्टीमेट मेरे को लग रहा है भाई यू नो स्मेल सिक्स्थ सेंस भाई वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिक्स्थ सेंस that I'll check at home that is only one you got some more
This is same without essence. Sir.
Paral ko no shape to for not for them I'll check no you can show if you want क्या पैकिंग है इसका यार बा see this is how we want people to don't give food give them how to earn food now this school can get lot of money and we can get the best this is project this is zero way project एकदम अच्छा है so you give me a this is very natural other shape आपने इसको जलान देना दिए के समान वी कैन बर्न लाइक दीपम वाह कितना एफर्ट गया होगा हाउ मच एफर्ट दैट यू गिव मी विल चेक आई विल क्लोज